Money is one of the most misunderstood forces in life. It controls people, liberates people, destroys lives, and builds empire. But there's the truth. Your relationship with money starts in your mind, not your wallet. In the video, I'm sharing 12 powerful ways to think about money because how you think is how you earn, grow, and live. First, think of money as a tool, not a trophy. Money is not meant to be worshipped, it's meant to be used. Don't chase it just to show off. Use it to build, to serve, to grow, to live smarter. Second, understand that money flows to value. The more value you provide, the more money comes your way. Skill, solution, service. Those are magnets for money. If you want more income, increase your impact. Third, stop thinking of money as limited. Scarcity thinking leads to fear, jealousy, and small moves. The truth is, money is abundant. You just have to position yourself in the flow of it, not the fear of it. Fourth, think long term. Quick money often leaves quickly. Build a set, invest in what grows, slowly but surely. Patience with money builds real wealth. Fifth, money doesn't change people, it reveals them. If you're generous with a little, you will generous with a lot. If you're selfish with a little, more won't fix that. Character before currency. Sixth, think of saving as buying freedom. Every dollar you won't waste is a seed of future peace. Saving is not boring. It's powerful. It buys you time, options, and choices. Seventh, understand the difference between being rich and being wealthy. Rich is money you can see, wealth is money that walks even when you don't. Rich by abilities, wealth build assets. 8. Stop fearing money conversations. Talk about money. Ask questions. Get educated. Silence keep people broke. Clarity creates confidence. 9. Think of every dollar as an employee. When you spend, they're gone. When you invest, they work for you. Your money should earn money. That's how freedom is built. 10. Be generous with purpose. Giving does not make you poorer. It aligns you with abundance. But give wisely. Give where it grows, where it matters, where it multiplies in impact. 11th. Never tie your self worth to your network. You're not a number in a bank. Money is a resource, not your identity. Use it, don't be used by it. And 12. Always remember money is a mindset before it's a reality. You will never have more of it outside than what you believe you deserve inside. Change how you see it and change how it shows you. These 12 ways of thinking won't just change your bank account, they will shift your peace, power, and potential. Think differently, and money will follow. If this message changed your perspective, like the video, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who's ready to see money in new way.